Your Weekend Gardener back with Evie.
Hi guys.
And today we got I'm not gonna say it's a weird one. We did something similar to this in Brazil, but that orange had to have been about that big. And it had no seeds in it. This right here, in Brazil, this is a mexerica.
Mexerica.
I cannot think of the name of it here though. It looks like a sumo, but it's nowhere near that size of a sumo. But we're going to give this a taste test and we're going to compare it to the one we had in Brazil. And in Brazil, we gave that thing a 10. I think I may have given it 11. That was one of the best. That was one of the best oranges I've ever had. Oh, you pulled the wig off?
Yeah.
Thick skin. Very thick skin.
Look, you guys.
Which makes it easy to peel.
Yeah.
And just like in the previous video, I said, look at the zest coming off that. You can see the water coming off when you peel it. I think the last one we didn't peel.
Mexerica. Exactly like, they smell exactly like.
No, the last one we didn't peel. We just, I think you just cut it.
Yeah, because we are doing.
That thing looked like a grapefruit. Woo, hear that? That noise, that's that freshness.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if this is good, I want to make some juice.
Okay, yeah. Wonderful. Wonderful.
I like
super,
that sound.
Super juicy, sweet. Wonderful.
We making juice?
Yeah.
Okay, we're making juice. What's your number?
10.
That one in Brazil was way better than this.
It's more sweet, but this is
good.
Very good.
This is good. I mean, this gets like a 9.5.
I give that 10.
No seeds, easy peel. Audience, if you know what this is called in America, put the comments down below.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Very good. Fibers. Very healthy.
All right. Thanks for watching. We're going to continue this while you all are gone. Peace. 1 second.
The peace with that.